G'day guys, it's Josh again from Ultimate Adventure Fishing and Hunting. We're here at the Helsinki International Boat Show, and there's also a little fishing section as well. So we're going to head down, check it all out. There are some awesome looking boats. Hoping to get out with Yanni this summer. Let's see what happens. From Fishing here, and let's try and jump in while he's a busy man, but I found him with a bit of spare time. How are you, mate?
Fine, thank you. Yes, only from Merikarvi, a small village in the western part of Finland.
Okay, and that's western part, up a little bit in the middle, or?
Yeah, it's like a southwest from Helsinki, 300 kilometers.
Okay, okay. So I've been looking around some of your stuff here, and some pretty cool stuff. I was pretty impressed with the little spin tubes.
Yes, I saw you.
Being from Tasmania originally, there's a lot of trout fishing down there.
So especially this is handmade with brass weighted head. Yep. And the idea came because we are fly fishermen, but we saw on the market people cannot fly cast. So we wanted to make a perfect lure for spinning. So now I show you how we do it. So first of all, it is easy to cast out. Everybody can cast it out. Hook is up all the time, so it won't stuck to the bottom. And you can make it slow when the water is cold, speed when it is warm. River, lake, sea. Awesome. One lure for all places, for all fish.
Is that the most selling lure at the moment?
Yes, most selling lure, nice size, easy to cast it out. It's for all predator fish. Yeah. Like they are using it already in 20 different countries.
Really?
And we have a nice range of the colors. So
if someone wants one of these, is there online store? Or?
Yes, we have online store worldwide, humor.fi.
Yep.
And there is many dealers all over the world who is selling them.
Awesome. What's your personal favorite color?
Top 3 is always Fire Tiger,
yep,
Black and Silver, and Natural Brown.
Natural Brown.
Yes.
That's one of my favorites as well, and the Black and Silver.
Yes, and this is the small size, but if you guys looking for something big, it's this one. 30 centimeter long, easy to cast, not too heavy. It's lure for the big fish with the light gear.
Yep.
We want to enjoy fishing with the light gear.
Yep. Awesome. Well, thanks, mate. Thanks
Thank
for your time.
Very much. Thank you.
I know you've had a long week, and I hope you have a good rest after this week.
Always, but still smiling. You know, we do what we like.
We'll try and catch up with you during the summer, hopefully.
Yes. See you on the lake.
On the lake.
Yes.
Cheers, mate. Well, that was the fishing section. I've just spotted one of our favourite Finnish fishermen. I'll see if I can grab hold of him. He's just gone down this way. Alright, I found him. One of our favourite fishermen in Finland, Mika Vernon. How's the season shaping up, mate?
Well, just came from Maldives, successful GT fishing, and of course we got some sharks and stuff for the sea. But now it's been pretty busy with the Expo, yes.
Yeah?
Lots of exhibitions. And,
what was the biggest GT you got?
120 centimeters plus 120, so I reckon about 40 kilos.
40 kilos?
Yeah, right.
Crazy. Well, I know you're a busy man.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time, and hopefully see you in the summer sometime.
So this goes to Australia or to Finland, wherever.
This is going to be all over the place, mate.
Oh,
so,
my daughter, she's living in Australia, so hello Laura.
Laura.
Daddy is here.
Back in Australia. G'day, Laura. All right. Thanks, mate.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye. Right, we're nearly finished up here at the boat show, but we've got something special for you. I'm here with the Sunseeker North representative, Erkki. He's going to take us through. We're actually standing on the Sunseeker 50 Predator, which is a new model and it came out last year. Alright, let's go through this. This thing looks awesome. Just to show you, this is the sunbaking deck. That's how I should say it, sunbaking deck. I could see myself up there a fair bit. Alright, we're here at the, what's this one again?
After deck.
The outer deck. And these seats lie down so you can sit there and sunbathe and stuff like that. But then it also folds up nicely with a little backrest. Nice wooden table here, it's nice and sturdy. I'd reckon I would be sitting there most of the time.
You can try it.
I can try it. This is quite comfortable, and this is it's actually quite heavy, which is really good. Nice and sturdy, thick, I should say. Cool. What's next? We come down here. We have a swimming deck here, which this deck just here, it lowers down. You can lower it down underneath the water. It's all on hydraulics. And also check this out. We'll just get Erkki to press a button. This is pretty cool. There's a garage and it fits one of the rig boats in there. What size was it?
Williams 325.
Williams 325. Fits in there. That's pretty cool. I can see us fishing in the lakes with this. No. Alright, head back up inside now. Alright, this is the first area we come to. There's a seating arrangement. This table also, you can lower it down and put cushions on there, and that can also turn into a bed. Down here we have a little open cupboard. Also have wine cooling area. And here,
Ice maker.
good old ice maker.
You can get the TV out from here.
Also have a TV, pops up. That's really, really cool. Awesome. There's another little compartment here. Captain's chair. We'll get to that later. Down to the lower deck. And this is one of the bedrooms. What bedroom would you call this, mate?
This is called the whip cabin actually.
The whip
And
cabin.
Over here you can even separate the beds.
Okay. They slide.
Yeah,
Yeah. Slide so the two singles.
yes.
That's cool. That's really cool. And in here you have a walk-through bathroom, ensuite, whatever you want to call it. And kitchen area. You've got your freezer, which is in there, and below that is the fridge, nice and spacious. And you got your stove and a little oven by the look of it, and all your cupboards for all your cutlery and your plates. Personalised plates too. Awesome. In here is another bedroom. Got bunk beds in there. Alright, now we head down to the master bedroom. This would be my spot. So spacious down here, so much room. You've got a little compartment here, hang your stuff in, couple of couches, and a nice big double bed. Not to mention there's another bathroom in here, second bathroom, and behind here you got your shower.
You need to find some more fishes now.
I need
only in the sea, so.
It'll be awesome to have a fishing trip on one of these one day. I'll keep dreaming, but that's okay. That's the Sunseeker 50 Predator for you. This is the 2018 model, the new one. You got to spare 1 million euros. This is what you can get yourself. But that's it for the boat show for 2019. If you didn't get here this year, make sure you head there next year. It's on every February, and hit that subscribe button for us, and we'll see you at the next show. It's time to close up. This is pretty cool. I can see myself fishing off one of these. We'll see you next time. Peace.